Alright everyone, welcome to another episode in the CSS tutorial. So this time I'm going to show you something kind of cool and useful for making your page look better. We're going to be using the margin, which we already learned. So if you haven't seen that yet, go back one episode ago, no, maybe two. So yeah. So we're going to be able to use margin to center any like element on our page. Okay, so we're going to start off with a div like always. We don't have to. You could use anything probably. Well, you can. We'll see in a second. And yeah, so let's say we have these three blocks here, right? And they're blocks because they're bordered and everything, right? And we want to put them in the middle automatically, depending on whatever the size of our page is. So to do that, we can just simply do margin auto, and then it'll automatically put everything in the center, okay? So let's say these are two like close together, they're touching, right? So we can add an extra layer of margin, so 50 pixels auto, which will center and add the margin that you just put. So basically, yeah, just like that. So not only will it automatically center it, it'll automatically add another 50 pixels to the margin to make it look like that. So let's try it on this p tag down here. Let's change the color to make sure that's even a p tag anyway. Yep, okay. And we'll do font size real quick. We don't have to do this. I'm just doing it so I can see it better, and so can you. So we'll say it 100 pixels, not pickles. Oh, that's way too big. Oops. We'll do 25. Okay, that's better. So this one down here, we'll set that a margin of auto also. See, look. See now, oops. That didn't work. Let's try putting a border around it. Border, uh, 5 pixels, solid red. Interesting. Now let's add a width to it. I had to do this for the other one too, so. Okay, so that's how you get it to work. It has to have a certain width, because if you don't set a width, it's automatically just going to be the whole side of the page, size of the page. So if you set a specific lower width, it'll make it to the center for you. So that's pretty useful. And obviously this is not big enough, so we can change this to like 100. Oops. Then reload and, oh, still not, but you get the point anyway. So well, you can do this for any element as long as you give it a border and a border that fits around it, not too big. So hope that makes sense. So yeah. So don't forget you can also not make it, if you want to not only center it but put it with some extra, you could just do, you know, that, something like that. And anyway, I hope that made sense. I hope you enjoy. Leave a like if you liked it, and peace.